Guys, so I just wanted to walk you through some directions on filling out this graphic organizer. As you know, I am taking the graphic organizer and the essay as two separate grades, so I wanted to make sure you had directions. The document that I am going to be explaining is Best Things in Life Are Free Graphic Organizer. All right, so you will see that this graphic organizer is 3 pages. Okay, so the first page looks like a star prompt, right? You should know what this is. So really our main focus here is the right. Right? The right statement, the one that I have highlighted right there, that is what your prompt is, okay? Your think and your read that are above right here, they are just there for extra help. They're to help you think and brainstorm. So if these two parts confuse you, do not read them, skip them, and just read the right section. Okay, so I'm just going to go through. It says, read the following box. The best things in life are free, and it is important to never lose sight of that. Wherever you see friendship, loyalty, laughter, and love, there is your treasure. Think carefully about the following question. What in life is free? Now to our prompt, the right statement. Write an essay stating your position on whether the best things in life are free. All right, so I have to state my position, meaning I have to choose a side if the best things in life are free or if they cost money, okay? So these are just some reminders that will also be on your STAR test. Be sure to state your position carefully, so you have to choose a side and state it clearly. Use appropriate organization, that's your separate paragraphs. Provide specific support for your argument, evidence, your specific examples. It even says specific, guys. Choose your words carefully, edit in your writing for grammar, mechanics, and spelling. So then Ms. Vernon and I added this chart right here just to kind of walk you through it and for you to remember this step. So when you do get to your STAR test in April, you will know, hopefully you will know the steps and you can walk through them because this will not be on your STAR test. So step 1, make a T-chart and brainstorm. Step 2, choose the side you want to write about. Step 3, write a thesis. 4, choose examples. 5, put it together in your essay. So we are going to walk through all 5 of these steps right here. Okay, so the first one is make a T-chart and brainstorm the 2 sides of your issue. So Miss Vernon and I have already made a T-chart for you. Write out both sides of the argument and list reasons for both sides. So for the best things in life are free, you could talk about your family, right? Things like that. The best things in life are not free. You can talk about what's good. I don't know, Miss Cyrus' iPad, material things that you buy, right? But you need arguments for both sides, evidence for both sides. Step 2 is to write your thesis statement. Okay, so you're going to actually pick a side, which is step 2, and then step 3 is to write your thesis statement. So say I chose the best things in life are free. So then in my step 2, I'm going to write my thesis statement. I believe the best things in life are free because, right? So you can either list out your reasons that you listed here, or you don't have to. Examples. So you want to have 2 examples. We're on to number 3, step 3. You want to have 2 examples regardless of how many reasons you have. So even if you have 1 reason, you still need at least 2 examples, okay? You'll see that here. And that's kind of what this chart is about. So why are the best things in life free, not free? And then you would list your reason here. So you're either going to do these 2, you're going to do option 1, or you're either going to do this, right? So you have 2 examples here and 2 examples here. Then after you figure it out, so say you have the best things in life are free, you talk about your family. An example to support is how your family is always there for you. Blood is thicker than water, and that they come free, that they do not cost anything. Yeah, so that would go there. Then you start writing your hook, some people believe, and your thesis statement. Your thesis statement, guys, is up here. The one that you wrote right here. Hook notes we have already gone over. They are in your notebook. And then you go through that main body and you start going sentence by sentence. So that's what this graphic organizer on page 3 is for, to go sentence by sentence. Okay. In the introduction, I have 3 sentences. The first one is a hook. There are notes for that in your notebook. Then I say some people believe, and I introduce the counter argument. And then I write my thesis, however, in my opinion. Remember on this assignment that I am only looking at your thesis statement. Then you go to your main body. Your first sentence is a topic sentence. Your second sentence is an example. Your third sentence is explaining your example in sentence 4, and then you tie it back, all right? So, to conclude, first paper, this is the graphic organizer grade. The first page on here is the prompt. Then you will fill out all this information on page 2, choosing a side, writing your thesis, listing examples, and then you will go sentence by sentence, okay? Then you will write your essay on this paper. Write an essay stating your position on why the best things in life are free. So what you could do, if you like what you wrote here, you could write hook, 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 right? You wrote your hook, you wrote your counter argument, and then you wrote your thesis. You can just copy and paste that here, and then continue, okay? So if you like what you wrote here, then that's great. If you do not like what you wrote there, then please continue and write what you want here. But this graphic organizer grade will be a grade, the graphic organizer, and then the prompt will be a grade. Sorry, the essay will be a grade. If you don't want to fill out this, but you want to use this as to what sentence belongs where, that is perfectly fine. But I just wanted to explain how to fill out this graphic organizer and the grades that I am taking this week. Please let me know if you have any questions. I would love to answer them.